Hello YouTube, this is the video on how to assemble this electric 36 volts bike right here. Really nice, cool lights. So keep quick, couple of tips I have. You need to assemble this one first, then you do this plastic, this piece as well, tires, bolts, then you put this plastic cover on top. This is so easy to assemble. I believe this is a bigger version of that one, which has been very popular in the channel, hitting like 100,000 views. And yeah, let's see how it comes packed and how you put this together. That's how it comes. I just cut the box open, so I think it's easier to do like that, and then I can just kind of move things around. Looking by, oh, this is real rubber with air. I like that. Big motor here, 36 volts. That's nice to see. That's probably where the battery is, and I believe there will be lights in here. Throttle. So let's remove everything from this box and get it going. Anthony, which is my helper, 4 years old. We're putting this together, not a lot of parts, as you can see. Really cool rubber tires. Nice, there's details here in blue. Oh no! Be careful, Anthony. Yeah. Really big shocks, big motor, brakes, lots of cool stuff. This is the lights here, big LEDs. So I think this is gonna be really easy to put together. Putting the handle is really easy. Put this piece first, then you put this one on top. Of course, the handle has to be in the middle here. Put the washer and then the nuts, bolt it a little bit so it's kind of loose like this. And then you tie this in place, put this to the correct position and just tighten those bolts. And this is gonna be it for this portion here. Then we will do the front tire, which is really easy to put as well. Just these bolts. And then assemble those plastic parts. What's going on there? Testing the horn. Some lights going on here. Headlights here, really intense lights. But I made a mistake. This piece has to go here first. And then you assemble this. So yeah, unfortunately I'll have to unassemble this, but I also installed this plastic cover here. The tires went pretty smooth, really easy. So now I'm gonna remove this, put this back, or no, this, oh no, it goes here, it goes right here. No, it doesn't go here.
Like this.
It goes right here.
I show you. But Daddy,
it goes right here.
Like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably like that. Yeah.
No,
just like that. Woohoo! Bye. 36 volts electric dirt bike. RadTrail, really nice finish. LED lights right here. Really big suspension in the back. Look the size of this motor. Pretty massive. Also, it has rubber air-filled tires, front and rear, really good. Like these details in blue, protection here in the shocks. The front end has really beautiful LED lights, really bright. You have different modes. Right now is in the strobe mode. The functions are right here. Lights on and off. Press one more time, it turns on. All white. It turns yellow as well. Horn. On and off switch right here. Press and hold.
No.
It turns on. Back to this size. Look at the size of this motor. Really massive motor. Brakes over here. Really good brakes. That's where you feel the air to the air-filled tires. Stop, Anthony. This is the speed selection. Low, medium, and high. Really easy to select. It has a real chain.
But this.
Let me zoom in right there.
This, Daddy.
Real chain right there.
Bye. Kiss.
That's the chain, Anthony.
Chain.
This is Anthony learning a little bit more about the bike.
I do.
This is the pinion right there from the motor to the chain. Just like a real dirt bike. Anthony is my helper.
Yeah.
He's gonna learn how to drive this bike. And we will be testing this. Stop, Anthony. We'll be testing this with Bernardo, which is 11 years old.
Bernardo's not here.
Yes, Bernardo is not here. He's gonna be here soon. Quality approval.
Bernardo's rough.
Let me see what else I can tell here. This is metal. Metal bolts, metal frame. Metal frame over here. Stop, Anthony. This is where the battery is inside of this. Can't tell you how big it is. I'll probably have to open this up. 6 to 12 years old. Model is Y5, 65 kilograms. Manufacturing March 26. And this is some of the manufacturer name over here as well. All metal over here. Metal, 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 metal. So everything here is really high quality. Accelerators right here. Brakes over here. Number 7 right there. Let's go, Bernardo.
Let's go.
He's 11 years old. He knows how to drive this pretty well. He's driving this for a while now. Helmet first. We're gonna be safe. That's Bernardo going all the way up there. And now coming down. Really nice. 11 years old. Bike is pretty quick. There you go, him going off the road right there. 36 volts. The battery is good for like 13 miles. Which is a lot. You can play for hours and hours and never get old. Going all the way. He's going pretty quick, as you can see. The suspension working really nice. Bernardo is a really good driver. There he goes again. All the way in the hill. The bike is really tough. I think this is probably gonna be it. I'm gonna park the car here. I'm gonna call Bernardo up and we'll finish up this video here. It's been really good. All right, so let's stop here for a minute, Bernardo. I think this is it. We got some pretty bad weather coming up, but this bike, it is really cool. 36 volts. Pretty tough, huh?
Yep.
Thank you very much, Bernardo.
Bernardo.
We'll do some more reviews later in the future. We will do a really nice
Daddy,
completely off-road video in the dirt. But what you need to know about this, I think this video got you covered. Strong, 11 years old, done well with this. This one as well. You can go, Anthony, you can go with this one now. I was driving this one, following Bernardo on this really nice dirty bike. And Anthony was in the go-kart right here. Good job. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like, dislike, leave your comment, questions, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye.